Choosing the right shipping company can be confusing when starting an e-commerce business. Today, I will share 8 key questions you should ask to the shipping company to find the best partner for your business. 1. Do they have dedicated shipping lines to your target countries? Dedicated shipping lines are faster and more reliable because they focus on specific countries. They often handle local rules better, speeding up customs and avoiding mistakes that cause delays. 2. Can they handle sensitive products? Some products like batteries, cosmetics, and shampoos need special care during shipping. Shipping companies usually classify items as general goods, regular items without restrictions, with battery items with small batteries, for example, earbuds, pure battery products like power banks or rechargeable batteries, branded items, products with logos or trademarks, sensitive goods like liquids, cosmetics, or shampoos that need special packaging or permit. Not all companies can handle these categories, especially sensitive goods and pure battery products, which may require custom clearance, permits, or special packaging. If most of your products fall into these categories, it's better to work with a shipping company that specializes in handling them. 3. Do they offer real-time tracking? A tracking system helps you and your customers check where the package is during shipping. This improves transparency and reduces customer service issues. For example, 17track.net allows you to track packages from many shipping companies. 4. Do they provide automatic shipping cost calculations? If you are shipping to many countries, an automatic cost calculator will help you estimate fees quickly based on the size, weight, and destination of the package. This saves you time and helps you manage costs more efficiently. 5. Do they support order integration? Order integration means that when you get an order, the shipping details are automatically sent to the shipping company. Once they ship the package, the tracking number updates automatically in your system. 6. Find out if the shipping fee already includes taxes and duties. If not, ask them what taxes will you have to pay by yourself and how much will it cost. And here are the taxes you need to know about. Custom duties, usually included in shipping fees, but it's important to confirm with the company. VAT and GST. For some companies, this may not be included in the shipping fee and could be charged separately. Clearance fee. Some companies include this service while others may charge extra. 7. Do they support cash on delivery? In regions like the Middle East, customers often prefer to pay after they receive the product rather than using credit card. If your shipping company offers cash on delivery, it can help build trust and boost your sales in this market. 8. Do they have warehouses abroad? Once you upgrade your dropshipping business, you may need a warehouse in the target market for better services. Here are the questions that you need to ask about the warehouses. Can you use the warehouse for free for a limited time? How much does it cost for storage after the free period? And what are the fees for repacking and handling returns? Some shipping companies offer free storage for a limited time, like 15 days, and provide affordable long-term storage afterward. Use these questions when talking to potential shipping companies to better understand their services. This will help you choose the best one for your business needs. This is Aysel. I have been in China for more than 10 years and I'm completely fluent in Chinese. If you are planning to buy from China, I can help you with sourcing, sample quality checks, and inspections before shipping. If you have any questions about buying from China or about e-commerce, drop them in the comments and I will answer them in the next video.